Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Today guys, we prepared the third video on the Bitcoin market. So markets, as you can see, starts to move very fast across the board, and euro, gold market, Bitcoin as well. So volatility is returning, coming back here. And well, actually yesterday we talked about the butterfly pattern on intraday charts, and target has been hit, but not the 127, but 1618. So market has passed even more distance to the upside, and that has turned the overall picture not on the intraday charts but on the weekly chart, on the daily as well. So currently we need to provide the different, not quite different, but additional picture and increasing the scale of the possible upward action, because some questions that were important just a few weeks ago now it's been eliminated. So for example, what I'm talking about, recall weekly ABCD pattern to the downside with the C point right there, we said, and here also was monthly grabbers has been formed here, and it was one of the source of the warnings that until they stand valid, it's probably market keeps chance on the possible downward action. And in our reports we every time mention that while market stands below the 1050, no talking about the high standing targets on the establishing of the bullish trend exist right now. But currently it's quite different picture, because on the way up here yesterday, market has made three things in a row. First of all, ABCD pattern on the weekly chart has been erased. So market moves above the C point. Second, market has completed daily ABC bottom COP target 11.12 approximately. Third, market has formed here the bullish reversal swing. So considers recent swing up is greater than the previous swing down. It means that market's turning up, and that should be treated as a continuation of this type of action, this trend, rather than retracement inside of this trend. Because on the way up, market already has broken also the 618 level. 618 resistance broken. Here you could even recognize some kind of the hand shoulders pattern with a very small shoulder to the right. Yes, and here you could also calculate some different extensions. For example, this A, B, C bottom, D pattern, but it will stand approximately the same point. So what we could do now, take a look that at the same time market hits the overbought on the daily chart and completes the COP. It means that at least minor pullback should happen. I suggest that it would be great if we'll get the pullback somewhere to the 1050 by a few reasons. First of all, this is previous resistance that was standing for a long period here. That will be probably enough to correct, to show the pullback up out from the overbought area. And since this is the COP, probably we should get some more extension to the upside. The one thing that I'm worried about is that this is reversal swing. Usually after the reversal swing, market shows deep retracement. But, well, major retracement, some retracements already is done when the market erased this downward action with this upper level. Here, as you can see, the pullback has happened. It's not really very small, but, well, it's not really very big, I mean. But still, this is valuable on the daily chart. That's why maybe in this case, market will just limit its downside action just by the minor pullback. So anyway, the first level to watch for is, I suppose, the 1050, because on the 4-hour time frame chart, take a look what we have on the 4-hour time frame chart. We also have got the completion this head and shoulder butterfly pattern that we traded. And we have great thrusting action that's suitable for the Napoli double repo or Brent butter trades. For us, particularly interesting is Brent butter. And if market will drop directly to the 30% support of this thrust, this will be 1050 approximately. This will be chance to take the long position, because at least the 618 pullback here will happen. That's the preliminary trading plan for 1-2 sessions, today, tomorrow probably. And see what will happen.